Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play music using guitar tabs. Tabs are a fantastic way to learn songs, especially for stringed instruments like the guitar. They provide a visual representation of where to put your fingers, making it much easier to understand than complex sheet music. We will cover the basics of reading tabs and common symbols you will encounter. To begin reading tabs, understand that each horizontal line corresponds to a string on your instrument. For a 6-string guitar, you will see 6 lines. The top line usually represents the high E string, the thinnest one. Numbers placed on these lines tell you which fret to press. For example, A3 on the second line means to press the 3rd fret on the A string. A0 indicates an open string. Tabs also use special symbols to denote playing techniques. An H stands for a hammer-on, where you tap a finger onto a fret to sound a note without picking. Conversely, AP means a pull-off, where you pull your finger off a fret to sound a lower, already fretted note. Forward and backward slashes indicate slides, moving your finger smoothly between frets. AB tells you to bend the string, altering its pitch. When practicing with tabs, begin with simpler songs to build your foundational skills. Remember that tabs primarily show you where to place your fingers, not necessarily the rhythm or timing. You will need to listen to the song to grasp its feel. Utilize online tools or software that can slow down the music, allowing you to practice at a comfortable pace. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will yield great results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.